Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in another video here on IPO Market Watch. If you're new to this channel, guys, I cover everything on the stock market, not just IPOs, so consider hitting the subscribe button and hit the like button if you like the channel and if you like the content. All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about Rumble, right? And also a really exciting, awesome, new AI play that you don't know about. Maybe, I think you don't know about. It is, you probably don't because it's not public yet. It's not public on the market, but it is going public on the 20th of March. Guys, I think you will want to know this one. This is a very cool AI play. It's a great company, pretty good financials and improving, and they're backed by Intel and Fidelity. If you use the Fidelity trading app, you know Fidelity. Yeah, so Intel and Fidelity are backing this one. It's awesome. Let's talk about Rumble first because this one is good and bad. It has, I'm happy with it, and I'm also mad at it. And there's the whole TikTok thing. Let's just let me put everything in order for you. All right, so watch this now. Pay attention. March 6th, I say that at $7.04, Rumble is a buy, and I buy it. And some people in my Discord decide, okay, we'll follow Mike and we'll buy it too. And for the next, I don't know what it was, 3 or 4 days, we're down, we're red, we're negative on Rumble, as it had gone down to like $6 and I don't know, 70 cents or $6.50. And lo and behold, guys, March 12th comes. 6 days later after I buy it, March 12th comes along and the stock is trading at $8.08, and I'm thinking to myself, okay, that's enough. I'll take the gains, which were not bad gains. I'm happy, you know, made money, so there's no complaints. And I took that gains, and that was on March 12th when I took the gains, right? And I'm mad at Rumble, and I'm mad at my luck, to be honest, because if I had waited just 2 days later, I would have had knowledge of news that would come out. This news did not come out on March 12th, and I missed out. By the way, Rumble is trading at $8.88 right now. It even went over $9, so yeah, that was a good pick. So 20 hours ago, we get this, guys. Rumble Cloud announced a strategic partnership with QuintShift. Why in the world couldn't you announce it before I sold? Anyways. Also yesterday, we have the news now of the TikTok possible ban or divest and so on. And basically what's going on with TikTok is that if they don't divest the business, if ByteDance doesn't divest the business, then they will not be able to operate, possibly, most likely, TikTok in the United States. Is this going to happen immediately? No. I think this is going to drag all year long. There's going to be a battle for this. Maybe TikTok will try to go to courts. I don't know, ByteDance, but we'll see. It's going to take some time. In the end, though, we know what's going to happen. All right, I think TikTok is going to have to be sold out. And the biggest players out there for TikTok to be acquired, in my opinion, is obviously Meta. Right? They have the biggest market share in social media, so they're definitely going to be involved in this for sure. They have also Instagram, which is the competitor, but Rumble is in the news about that, and that was particular because the Rumble CEO tweeted on the X platform and said that, you know, we're ready if you know, with our cloud service and all that, we're ready to take part in this consortium of other social media companies to take over TikTok. But yeah, so you know, yesterday Rumble stock jumps after offering to buy TikTok. They're not gonna buy out the entire TikTok, just Rumble itself. They don't have the money, guys, trust me. But they're gonna be part of a group, or at least they want to be part of that group that wants to buy out TikTok. Rumble Cloud launches to the public. Like, they started coming out a day after I sold at $8. Whatever, it was a good pick anyways. If you want to join my Discord, there's plenty of other opportunities, and we're really doing awesome. And what's the point of joining the Discord? Well, you join a trading community, and maybe that might be better than to trade on your own. That's up to you. The link will be in the comment section below. Why in the world is Rumble getting a $12 price target? Because of the TikTok hype. Obviously, that's definitely the biggest reason why. And also artificial intelligence, as Rumble will get more and more involved with AI, and there'll be news later in the year of some type of AI integrations with Rumble. All right, so that's something to keep in mind. And with that being said, let's move on to one of the biggest new AI players that's going on the market very soon, and I'm very excited about this one. This is Intel-backed Astera, which seeks a $534 million IPO with AI appeal. Now, it's not going to be a cheap one. It's going to be 27 to 30 bucks a share, and the shares offered will be 17.8 million, which is actually not bad. That's actually pretty low. So Astera Labs Incorporation has filed for a $534 million IPO. The company sells connectivity solutions for data center applications, targeting hyperscale companies, and they already serve some of the biggest Fortune 500 companies out there. So Santa Clara, California-based Astera Labs Incorporation was founded to develop its intelligent connectivity platform to enable customers to deploy high-performance computing environments via its hardware and Cosmos software suite. Management is headed by Chief Executive Officer Jitendra Mohan, who has been with the company since 2017. So Astera Labs, guys, has received $282 million in investments, and like I said, the investors in Astera Labs are Intel and Fidelity, which whenever Fidelity was involved in an IPO, from past experience that I've noticed through the years, those IPOs always did well. They always did really well. The firm targets primarily hyperscale companies that operate large data center facilities in public, hybrid, and private cloud configurations. And let's check out the revenue for the company. In 2022, they had $79.8 million, and for 2023, they ended at $115.7 million. The gross profit loss goes from 58.6 to 79.8 million. Gross margin is on an average of about 70%, which is actually good. And Astera Labs, guys, has $45 million in cash. They have 39 million total liabilities, and their free cash flow is negative 15.5 million. You know, for total liabilities to be just 39 million bucks, that's pretty good in my opinion. I think that's pretty awesome. That's not bad at all. And the net income actually is getting better. They're not profitable, right? But it is getting better. 2022, negative 58 million. 2023, negative 26 million. Valuation score is neutral, but to be honest, now watch, don't just watch this three dots and say, oh, he's neutral, he doesn't think it's great. I actually think the company's awesome. And this is a company that I definitely want to have in my portfolio for years to come. I'm just not really sure if I want to pay 30 bucks a share, to be honest. I don't know. I think it's a little overpriced. All right, so I do think it's overpriced, and I would have liked it to be 20, 18 bucks a share would have been awesome. But it's not that. So it is overpriced in my opinion. Will I buy this on day one? I think I will, and that would be for a short-term trade, because I think that this will do good due to the AI applications and all that stuff. So yes, I will buy on day one. Hopefully, if it's maximum 30 bucks when it opens, and nothing higher than that, I will sell it for the short term. And I will put it on my watch list because I want to buy back into this stock. But the next time I buy back into it, it would be for the long term, right? So hopefully I can get it within the next 1 year at a much lower price. So initially in for the short term, and then wait up to 1 year for a much lower price. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. And I wish you all the best, and take care.